Welcome to this tutorial on where to put your Temu referral code in 2025. Temu is an e-commerce platform that allows users to earn rewards by referring friends and family to the site. To get started with using your referral code, you need to understand how to properly apply it. First, you need to log into your Temu account. If you do not have an account, you can create one by downloading the Temu app or visiting their website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the referral section of your account. This is usually located in the account settings or profile section. In the referral section, you will find your unique referral code. This code is what you will share with your friends and family to earn rewards. To apply the code, your friends will need to enter it during the checkout process. They can do this by clicking on the Have a Referral Code option and entering your code in the provided field. When your friends enter your referral code, they will receive a discount on their purchase and you will earn rewards. The rewards can be in the form of cash, discounts, or other incentives. The specific rewards will depend on the terms and conditions of the Temu referral program. To maximize your earnings, it is essential to share your referral code with as many people as possible. You can do this by posting it on social media, sending it to your friends and family via email or text message, or sharing it in online communities. You can also use your referral code on your website or blog if you have one. In addition to sharing your referral code, you can also use it to invite friends to join Temu. When your friends join using your referral code, you will earn rewards and they will receive a discount on their first purchase. This is a great way to introduce your friends to the platform and earn rewards at the same time. In conclusion, using your Temu referral code is a great way to earn rewards and save money on your purchases. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can learn how to properly apply your referral code and maximize your earnings. Remember to always share your code with as many people as possible and use it to invite friends to join Temu. With this guide, you are ready to start using your Temu referral code and earning rewards today.